Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super useful in Notion, creating a progress bar to track your projects, habits, or goals. If you're a Notion user, you know how powerful it is for organization, and a progress bar adds that visual punch to keep you motivated. This is especially relevant for 2025, as Notion continues to evolve with more customization options. So, let's dive right in. First things first. Open up your Notion workspace and create a new database. This could be for tasks, reading lists, or anything you want to track progress on. In your database, add two number properties. One for total items, like the total number of tasks, and another for completed items, how many you've finished. Next, we'll make it visual. Add a new property and select Formula. In the formula editor, type something like round, prop, completed items, prop, total items. Asterisk 100, plus, % to calculate the percentage. But wait, that's just numbers. Let's turn it into a bar. For a simple progress bar, add another formula property. Use this code. Replace, round, prop, completed items, prop, total items. Asterisk 20, full, 20 round, prop, completed items, prop, total items. Asterisk 20, empty. This uses Unicode blocks to create a bar that fills up based on your progress. Once that's set, test it out by updating your completed items in the database. Voila, you'll see a cool progress bar appear. You can customize it further by adjusting the formula or adding colors via Notion's formatting options. Why is this awesome? It makes your Notion pages more dynamic and helps you stay on top of your goals. If you're new to Notion formulas, don't worry, practice makes perfect. Give this a try in your next project, and let me know in the comments how it goes. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. See you in the next video.